Hello everyone, my name is Aakriti and I have completed the task 3 where I have to convert an image into pencil sketch. So for this, the tool that I have used is JupyterLab. Now let's move to the code. So here I have installed the required package and after that imported all the required libraries. So for reading the image I have used this function and then read the image in RGB format. This is the original image which I have used for the project, and after that I have converted the original image into the grayscale, which makes the image look like a black and white image using this function which takes color as an argument and then changes the source image color into that color. After that, I have inverted the grayscale image, which basically turns the grayscale image into negative image for redefining the fine areas of the image. After that, I have blurred the image using Gaussian blur, and this function is used to modify the image by sharpening the edges of the image and smoothing the image. So the last and the final step is to mix the grayscale image and the inverted blur image for getting a pencil sketch result. This is the original image that I have used for the project, and this is the image after conversion. This is the comparison of the images. So basically what I have done was I read the image into RGB format and then converted the image into grayscale, which turned the image into black and white image. After that, I have converted the image into negative image, which helped enhancing the fine details of the image. After that, I have blurred the image for the sharpening of the image, for the sharpening of the edges of the image and smoothing the image. After that, I have mixed the grayscale image and the inverted blur image for getting a pencil sketch look. Thank you for watching.